So traders, in every of my videos, I'll continue to tell you, to advise you and to remind you that if you want to really understand how the market works, you have to apply this particular method. Yes, this is what I actually arrived at. Though for me, there was no one to tell me, but at the end of the day, I realized that some of the things I do that actually makes it fast a bit for me. That at the end of the day, I was able to know how the market works. So I'll be taking you through these steps to advise you, to remind you, to always tell you that if you want to scale up faster, if you want to understand how the market works faster, you have to apply this method. So it is what I call willing to learn. You must be willing to learn. You must be willing, you must let something, motivate you to learn. Let something trigger you to learn. Is it that you really want to improve your financial status? You want to be you want to have financial freedom, or you want to have time freedom, or you want to be a boss on your own? Something important. Is it because of family or whatever? Something must, motivate you to learn. And then the second thing is learn vigorously. Yes, learn vigorously. You don't need to have an estimated time like, oh, in a week I'll go for tutorial, or I'll go for trading lesson or trading class, or whatever you call it, maybe twice in a week. I'm telling you, it's going to take time. It's going to take a lot of time. You have to be vigorous in your learning. You have to learn every time, every time. Oh, I did that myself overnight. Whenever I'm chanced, I learn every day. I watched videos every day. So the third thing is, don't rush things. Yes, you don't have to rush things. Though you might be vigorous at it, you might be learning every time, you might be watching videos every time, but don't rush things. And this actually means that you have to take it step by step. You have to take one thing and learn it, and then the other thing, learn it. You understand it, you digest it, then you move to the other thing. So it's going to make it much easier. I'm telling you, most people are actually compounding a lot of informations together, and at the end of the day, they do not assimilate, they do not digest the one they learnt. Before you know it, they forget, or they don't seem to remember or identify it before they actually go into learning another thing. And then the fourth thing is that learn from people's experience, people's mistake. Yes, you don't need to wait until you learn the hard way. I'm telling you, if you are waiting until you learn the hard way, you will actually learn the hard way. You will definitely learn the hard way. You don't need to, wait until you become broke before you learn. Learn from people's experience, expert experience. Professional traders, say their story, what they passed through. And I used to discover that there is similarity between the life of all these forex traders when they begin. So you have to learn from their mistakes. You have to learn from it. I'm telling you, if you do not learn, you are going to learn it one day. The next one is listen to professionals. Yes, there's something I call listening to professionals. So when I was learning vigorously, I do watch a lot of videos, and I saw professionals saying similar things like you have to be disciplined, you have to, you have to have an edge, you have to do this, you have to do that, you have to be patient, you have to be all these things. They mentioned all of this stuff, but there was no discipline to actually apply all of this stuff. It is not very easy to do them. So we actually have this mindset of making money in time. They will say you have to know that forex trading is not a get rich quick scheme. It's not a It's a long time game. So but all these things we don't want to obey it. We don't want to listen. And if we do not listen, it's still what we are going to do at the end of the day. So this thing is very important. Try to listen to professionals. Yes, listen to what they say. And then the next one is seek for an edge. It is very, very important. Seek for an edge. If you finally found that edge, in fact, a lot percentage of your journey is going to be very easy, because that edge is what actually gave me confidence. All this discipline issue, psychological issue, and all those stuff, they become a bit easy for me because I saw my edge work out couple of times. Back testing, it worked out couple of times, and then for testing it worked out couple of times. So I was like, okay, what am I looking for? This is a long-term game. I can actually um make money in this in the long run. So that edge actually gave me the confidence. I've not made the money, but I know in the long run I'm going to be profitable. Yes, this is my profitability stage. So like and follow this channel. Thank you.